way, when they don't have those, they'll have these. And they'll be known as warriors of the Alps, defenders of the
the third and Ashton, King and Queen of the Uplands, and greetings. Know ye that are still on this sepulchre, bearing of our lands upon and Otto, the Schwarzer, bearing of our lands in Outlaw, have displayed impressive skill upon the field of combat. It is our will that their excellencies be admitted into the order of the Stag's Blood. Great acts. We further bestow the right to bear the insignia of the order, to wit, vert in saltire, a sword inverted proper, and an axe, argent, hafted or, surmounted by a stag's head cabossed, argent, armed within a bordure embattled or, to which we set our hands this 6th day of July, Anno Societatis 48, being 2013, and the common reckoning of years. Boleslaw the third, Queen, King, Astrid, Queen. The scroll is the word. Both scrolls are the word. Monica Bonzel.
I want to say I've learned a couple of things today. There's always a right way to do things. But not. Congratulations, Your Excellencies. Please, by all means.